Hi, I'm back. So I have a problem. I have a pot full of overripe tomatoes. And what do you do when you have a pot full of overripe tomatoes? You turn them into soup. So tonight, we're going to be making chunky tomato sirloin soup. Best paired with some grilled cheese or garlic bread, but of course, I won't fault you if you just pour it on top of hot steamed rice. I'll show you how to do it. So let's start with searing our beef. Sirloin is really good for this since it's tender, but I also like a little fat in my soup, so not too lean. Really depends on you. While that's working away, I prep my other ingredients. I work fast because I don't want my beef to burn, and I like dropping in my ingredients right after chopping because I don't like them sitting in the open air oxidizing away. And honestly, it's all too easy. As you can see, I just nicked the tomatoes a bit, blanch, peel them before I cut them in quarters. Check on the beef and maybe turn the other side at this point. Then I rough chop my veggies. Drop in an onion and prep my seasoning. Yes, I can drop them on the pan directly. I just don't want to drop too much or get the steam on my dry spice bottles. OCD like that. At this point, my meat is nicely seared. There's caramelization on my onions. Gonna help it sweeten the sauce a little bit, and then I add my olive oil just because I don't want to burn my oil, and olive oil goes so well with tomatoes. This is optional if you don't want oil in there at all because not oils are made the same. Add your salt and pepper, let it sit for a bit, and then add your water or veggie stock if you have some. Give it a little mix. Cover and let it slow cook on lower temperature for about 1.5 hours. Slow cook soup is so good. When you come back to it, it's gonna look really dark and smell amazing. That's when I add tomato paste just to thicken it a little bit more and let it slow cook for another 1.5 hours. About a teaspoon of brown sugar. It really wakes up that tomato flavor. I just add some parsley at this point and serve. Chunky, filling comfort food. Enjoy!